Hawks at a very comfortable pace, but this time, they've got a 2-point lead, just missing some layups and couldn't make that half-court shot.
Stay tuned at the half. We'll have Paul Watkins joining us from Dignity Health, Northridge Hospital Medical Center. 35-33 the score here at the half. We'll step aside and come back with more NCAA men's basketball, the Big West on ESPN+. Paul Watkins joining us, the CEO of Dignity Health, Northridge Hospital. And first of all, I want to thank you guys because you've had a relationship with this department since I started here more than a decade ago, and we do appreciate the partnership with Dignity Health.
Well, we're thrilled to support CSUN and the sporting events, and thrilled to be here.
Now, I want to start off with March. It's Heart Month, American Heart Association, and there's the cardiac unit at Dignity Health. Northridge Hospital is one of the better ones, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. We're recognized actually by a number of the national rating agencies as providing outstanding cardiac care. Actually, so Heart Month was in February. And,
makes sense, it's Valentine's Day, right?
Yes, we just finished that. It really is an opportunity to reach out, help people around awareness of heart disease, heart health.
Yes.
In particular, women. Women don't have the same heart event or symptoms that men not generally do, and sometimes it's very difficult for a woman to recognize that she's having a heart attack. And so we really focus our education and training around that.
Now, just for the greater community, for the student community as well as just the greater Northridge community, what are some of the resources available at your facilities in terms of trying to keep up or maintain or do some preventative care in terms of heart health?
Well, heart health really is like a lot of health is diet and exercise. Staying active is incredibly important. And, just being aware, going to your primary care doctor and having what we call, knowing your numbers, knowing your cholesterol rate, your glucose, all that. It's really, really important just to help us, make decisions that are good for our health, that are better for our health. And we're not all perfect, and we will, do things that perhaps aren't, isn't heart healthy all the time. But just keeping that in mind, and I think that's, really most important.
I know you're out here with the family watching basketball. Sports fan at all, Paul?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I generally don't watch basketball, more football and baseball. For? Well, I'm from Northern California, so the Giants and 49ers.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So how'd the Super Bowl feel for you this year?
That was pretty good, yeah. Kansas City is a great team, too, and, I've always loved watching them, so, yeah, it's great. It's great.
And then how about the Giants? Who's your all-time favorite Giants?
Well, growing up, it was Willie Mays.
Of course.
Yeah, and Willie McCovey, and, those are, there's a lot of great players since, but that's, as a kid, that's where you get your impressions, make your impressions.
And then you're based in Southern California now. What are some of the things you like to do activity-wise with the family? I know probably you're promoting, health. What are some fun activities that you like to participate in?
So my wife and I walk a lot, and we go to the beach and just walk along the sand. We go on trips, camping trips, not in a tent anymore. We have a motorhome and we go in that. But, just being out and about, bicycling. I have 3 bikes and I do have an electric bike, which is easier in the hills, but I also have a pedal bike that I ride all the time. So, yeah.
And then last thing, again, anybody watching or listening, if they want to get more information about Dignity Health and your cardiac programs, the American Heart Association, where can they go website-wise or location-wise?
Yeah, so at dignityhealth.com, Northridge Hospital Medical Center, and we do have a page on cardiac health, cardiovascular health.
All right. Thanks again. I just want to reiterate, really appreciate the partnership, Paul. Thank you for taking a couple minutes with us.
Great. Well, thank you. Thanks for having us.
That's Paul Watkins. He's the CEO of Dignity Health. We're back on Matador halftime after this. 35-33, the Matadors in front right now. We got 20 minutes of basketball coming up. Thanks again to Paul Watkins from Dignity Health, Northridge Hospital Medical Center.
Thank you.